Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing my latest in beauty, my choices for my latest in beauty this month, September 2021. So if you want to see what I chose this month latest in beauty, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup spoiler of subscription boxes, and now I'm doing advent calendars too. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're ready to subscribe, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. If you're new to latest in beauty, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £13.95 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £2.95 I think, or £3.95. But if you subscribe to them for more than 3 months, you will become a pro member pros. You will have free delivery, and you will have also 15% off you purchase their limited edition boxes, which is in collection. So yes, let's open my latest in beauty. So here we go. When you open it, it says latest in beauty, my beauty discovery. Now let's see each product. As I said in my previous videos, lovelies, they don't put any leaflet inside, so I will pop in here the price, or here as always. Oh, I forgot to tell you, lovelies, that you can choose 6 products in their beauty counter, and there's a mixed product in there, and every Monday they drop 5 products. And yes, I chose this one I think last week. So now let's see each product. So the first one that I chose, and I was really excited to get this one, and this is from Dr. Teals Epson Salt Body Scrub Exfoliate and Renew. And this is a full size, lovely, 454 grams, and it says these are formulated with pure Epsom salt, natural essential oil, and minerals, so gently exfoliate skin and soothe the senses, and rich with shea butter and jojoba oil to leave skin moisturized. So yeah, here we go. Oh, smells peppermint. Smells relaxing, smells peppermint, warm. Yeah, minty. It has a minty smell. Can't wait to try this. The other product that I choose is from Umberto Giannini, and this is the blow dry in a bottle. This is the highly volume blow dry spray. It has 200 ml too. I tried few products from this brand and I really do like it, so that's why I choose this one. And this is cruelty free, vegan, so yeah, this smells really nice one. It says it's super easy to get big and bouncy looks with this heat protecting, fast drying styling spray. A lightweight formula with flexible holds protects the hair while adding shape, body, and control. Perfect for the daily blow dry on all hair lengths. So yes, I choose this one. And then the other product that I choose is this Feather and Down pillow spray, which is I love, and this one has 100 ml. I think this is a full size, and it says an infusion of lavender chamomile essential oil, encouraging calm, tranquility, and a restful night's sleep. And this one, lovely, smells lavender. It smells relaxing. I usually spray this one on my pillow, and it relaxes. If you have really a bad headache, I highly recommend to try this one. So yeah, love this product. And then the other product that I chose, I was really curious to try, and this is from Venia Cosmetic London, and the packaging, it's so chic, fancy, and yeah, here is the product inside. It has small gold inside too, and it smells like cream. It doesn't have that perfume, but yes, I will try this one and then I'll let you know. And this one has 24 karat gold moisturizing cream, it says, and has 15 ml. So yes, curious to try this. And then I choose again, lovelies, I chose this one 2 months ago, but it's still available on the beauty counter. This is from Coco Star Sun Cream Capsule with SPF 50 plus PA+++. It has those capsule inside. If you want to check this one, my unboxing, I will pop in here. But I really do enjoy using this one. I bring with me everywhere because I'll show you, lovely. because it has those like capsule, and you just need to pop this one in your handbag, and then you can apply your sun cream during the day. So yes, it looks like this. It has a heart-shaped yellow. So yes, I really enjoyed the last time that I used this one. So even though it's winter lovelies or it's cold outside, I highly recommend to use SPF 50 still, because to protect you from the sun. So yes, love this product. I really enjoyed using it. The last product that I choose is this from Luxi 130 Detail Angle Blender. So here we go, and it's very soft. I tried Luxi before. Their brushes are really soft. They don't lose any bristle during the washing. So yes, and this is perfect to blend your concealer under your eye area. Quite big on my eyes, to blend eyeshadow on my eyes, but this one's perfect to blend the concealer under my eye area. So a way to try this product, and that's all what I choose. But this month, lovelies, if you subscribe, you will receive also, like last month, 3 Cetaphil daily moisturizer with SPF 50 plus, and you receive 3 of yes, these. Let's do a recap, lovelies. We have 3 Cetaphil daily defense moisturizer with SPF 50 plus. This is the freebie one, and yes, I have another 3 in here. And then I choose the Luxi Detail Angle Brush, which is I'm so excited to try. The other product that I'm really excited to try, this is from Venia Cosmetic London, which is the 24 karat gold moisturizing cream. The other product that I choose, again, this one for Coco Star, the sunscreen, which is I love. This is a Korean brand, lovelies, but I enjoy using it, and it's very handy to bring with you everywhere. And then I choose also the Umberto Giannini Blow Dry in a Bottle, and as I said, I tried this brand. I really do like it, so can't wait to try this one. The other product that I really can't wait to try is this from Dr. Teals, the body scrub. Smells relaxing, mint, love the smell, so can't wait to try. And this is a full size, lovely, it's very heavy. And then the other product, it's my favorite one. I tried before, I used before, I repurchased many times, which is the Feather and Down, the Sweet Dream Pillow Spray. So yes, that's all that I choose for this month. What I think of this month, it's a thumbs up. Again, I love the product that I choose. That's the thing that I like from Latest in Beauty. You can choose the products that you like, and yeah, definitely I will use every single product in here. And you lovelies, what did you choose for this month, Latest in Beauty? Did you receive already your box? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.